Welcome back to our CCSK version 5 exam preparation series. In this video, we will dive into domain 4, that is organization management. This domain focuses on how cloud security responsibilities are structured, especially across complex environments like hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. So, without further delay, I welcome you to our channel Cybersecurity Hub. Let's then start today's tutorial. To start with, let us discuss about learning objectives of this module. By end of this video, you will be able to learn, manage organization level security within a CSP, leverage organization hierarchy for managing critical aspects of cloud deployments, organize security considerations for hybrid multi-cloud deployments, identify different cloud organization hierarchy models. Section 4.1 Organization Hierarchy Models. In cloud environments, especially in IaaS and PaaS models, providers offer organizational hierarchy models to manage users, permissions, and resources. For example, AWS uses organizations with a root account at the top, followed by organizational units or OUs and linked accounts. Similarly, Azure uses management groups, subscriptions, and resource groups. These hierarchies allow centralized policy enforcement, cost tracking, and access management. It is crucial to align these structures with your company's actual organizational and security policies. Now let's dive into section 4.2 Managing organizational level security within a provider. Managing security at the organizational level means applying controls consistently across all business units and cloud accounts. The key tools include Identity and Access Management (IAM) for assigning roles and permissions, Service Control Policies (SCPs) in AWS or Azure policies for enforcing guardrails, centralized logging and monitoring to collect security events across accounts, automation for scaling security operations and reducing manual errors. The goal is to minimize misconfigurations and apply least privilege access at scale. Our next section 4.3 consists of considerations for hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. Many organizations adopt hybrid or multi-cloud strategies to avoid vendor lock-in or meet regulatory needs. But these strategies introduce complexities. Consistent security policies must be enforced across different platforms. Centralized visibility becomes harder. Using tools like SIEM or cloud-native security hubs helps to avoid this challenge. Interoperability is the key. Think identity federation and common logging formats. Compliance challenges increase, especially when data spans multiple jurisdictions. To manage these, organizations often implement cloud governance frameworks and leverage cloud management platforms for unified controls. So, that wraps up Domain 4 Organization Management for the CCSK version 5 exam. Be sure to check out the next video where we cover Identity and Access Management in the Domain 5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an update. Thank you for your attention and wish you a great day ahead. Bye.